When creating a business case to justify funding for an information security program, which factor is the most critical element to include? Option A, executive leadership commitment. Option B, findings from a formal risk evaluation. Option C, data from an economic feasibility study. Option D, change in the overall risk appetite.
To understand this, consider the purpose of a business case. It is a formal document designed to secure investment for a specific project or initiative. In the realm of information security, organizations must compete for limited financial resources. Therefore, the goal is to clearly articulate why a security program is necessary to protect business objectives. This question asks you to identify the primary evidence or foundational element that makes this justification compelling and logical to stakeholders. In my view, the correct answer is B, findings from a formal risk evaluation. This is because a risk assessment serves as the fundamental requirement for any security business case. It provides the necessary evidence by identifying and quantifying threats, vulnerabilities, and their potential impact on organizational goals. Without this objective data, it is difficult to effectively demonstrate why a specific investment is required to mitigate harm. Why are the other options incorrect? While an economic feasibility study, mentioned in option C, is a helpful tool for showing the value of a project, it relies heavily on the risk assessment to define what investments are actually relevant. Regarding option A, executive leadership commitment is usually the desired result of a successful business case, rather than an initial requirement for its development. Finally, option D refers to an outcome of the program itself, not a prerequisite for the business case.
Exam tip. Whenever you see a question about justifying security spending, always look for the option that links the program back to risk. Security is fundamentally about risk management, so any proposal for funding should be grounded in a clear understanding of the risks the organization faces.